Hi everyone, today we are going to walk through initializing and configuring OpenStack and Ubuntu. So I have installed my Ubuntu in my Oracle VirtualBox. Let's turn on our virtual machine. Now let's go to our terminal. First we need to ensure our system is up to date. So we have to check for this. We have to use the following command to update our Ubuntu. So here Microsoft is a powerful and all-in-one OpenStack cloud in a snap package. It is perfect for developers and testers. It's updated. Next, we will install MicroStack using the Snap Package Manager using the following command. So here I have already installed in my systems. We are using Snap beta flag to get the latest beta version of MicroStack. So now let's initialize the MicroStack. We will use the auto flag for an automatic setup and control to set this node as a control node. This process might take few minutes, so be patient. It's setting up the environment for us. So it initializing one by one. So all the components of the OpenStack like MySQL, configuring network, horizon dashboard, databases, keystone services, Nova, Glance. So all the components going to be initialized. Now creating flavors. Configuring neuron, glance. Now creating security group. It's initialized successfully. So now we are going to check the OpenStack version using the following command. So our OpenStack version is 5.2.0. Next, we are going to get our login credentials for our OpenStack. So using the following command to get our password. So the default username for OpenStack is admin, and the password is, to get a password we have to use the following command to get a password. So this is our password for our OpenStack. So now let's go to the browser. So you have to type localhost in our browser and we will get this web page, or otherwise you can use the following IP to get our login page. So our username is admin and password is, we have to copy the password where we get in our terminal and we have to save it for future use. So this is our dashboard, OpenStack dashboard. So this is here the details of the entire private cloud setup. So next we are going to launch the instances. So for launching instances, you have to go to the instance page and click launch instances, and you have to provide instance name. So here I am providing MyVm, and description is an optional, and availability zone is Nova, and we have to boot the image instance using the image and increase the volume size to 10 and use Cirros for our instance and use tiny virtual CPUs for our instance. Use external public network. So remaining things we leave as default. Just click next and finally click launch instances. So we have to wait for some more time. Okay, we got error, it's unable to load the images. So we have to try the another way. Before going to do it, we have to delete the instances what we created in our dashboard, and we go to the terminal and type the following command. So first you have to exit from the root user and type the following command in the normal user to launch the instances. So MicroStack launch the image name. Our image name is Cirros -m for our virtual machine name. So here I will provide MyVm. So it's launching server, allocating floating IP, and there you have it. So if we have successfully installed and configured OpenStack Ubuntu and even launched our first virtual machine. So here our machine is running. To check this process, so click our console window to open this Cirros. So here it will provide the default username and password. Our default username is Cirros and password is provided in the console window. We have to use it. And use some basic commands to check whether the Cirros it's working properly or not. Here I have used some basic commands. That's all. So, and there you have it. So we have successfully installed and configured OpenStack in our virtual machines.